In this video, I'll show you how to install Instagram as an app on your MacBook using Google Chrome. This method creates a standalone Instagram app that you can open directly from your Applications folder or the dock. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. Once Chrome is open, click the address bar, type instagram.com, and press return on your keyboard. After the Instagram website loads, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Instagram. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install to continue. Instagram will now open in a separate window and work like a regular application instead of a normal browser tab. You can close the window for now. To find the app again, open Launchpad or go to your Applications folder, then search for Instagram. You can also keep Instagram in your dock for quicker access. Open the app, right-click or control-click the Instagram icon in the dock, hover over Options, and select Keep in Dock. Now, even after you close Instagram, its icon will remain in the dock, allowing you to open it whenever you need it, and that's how you can install Instagram as an app on your MacBook using Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.